Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of rare coins. And we'll be focusing on a coin that has sparked intrigue among numismatists and collectors alike. The 250 Rial 1378 coin. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know just why this small coin has a gigantic value, valued at an astounding $2,870 million. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing coin facts and updates. Let's start by going back in time to 1378 in the Persian calendar. That corresponds to 1999 in the Gregorian calendar. The 250 Rial coin was minted by Iran during a time of significant change and economic transformation. As part of a larger set of commemorative coins, the 250 Rial coin was meant to honor the economic milestones of the era. But what makes this coin so special? It's not just the year it was minted, but the materials, the design, and the symbolic significance that we'll explore shortly. As with many rare coins, the design plays a crucial role in its value. The 250 Rial 1378 coin is composed of high-quality materials, often silver or a silver alloy. On one side, you'll find intricate Persian engravings, an artistic tribute to the country's rich cultural history. On the reverse, the coin features a detailed depiction of a significant national symbol or event from the late 20th century. Its weight, size, and composition are precisely calculated to appeal to collectors, making it not only a piece of history, but also a tangible piece of art. And for those wondering, its aesthetic beauty only adds to its rarity and worth. Now, let's talk rarity. You might wonder, what makes this coin so rare that it commands such an incredible price? The answer lies in the limited mintage. Only a select number of these coins were minted, and most have been lost to time, collectors, or stored in private collections. That a limited quantity always increases the value of a coin, especially when you have collectors worldwide competing for these rare pieces of history. Not to mention, the fact that this coin is from a specific moment in Iranian history only adds to its allure. Many collectors in the numismatic world see it as a symbol of cultural pride and national heritage. So, how did this little 250 Rial coin go from a commemorative piece to a valuable treasure worth over $2.8 billion? The coin market operates like any other luxury item market: supply and demand. As collectors became more interested in coins from this era, especially ones that represent such a unique piece of Persian history, the value skyrocketed. That it's important to understand how the price has evolved. In the early 2000s, this coin was worth only a few $100s, but as it became rarer and more sought after, prices began to climb. Auction houses around the world now list these coins for millions, especially when they're in mint condition. In an extraordinary turn of events, one particular 250 Rial 1378 coin reached a jaw-dropping price at an auction. It was sold for a staggering $2.87 billion. But how did it get to such a crazy valuation? The answer lies in a combination of factors: rarity, historical significance, condition, and yes, even the emotions that drive collectors to outbid each other for a coin they believe will define their collection. But remember, this kind of price isn't typical for every coin in the set. Only a few coins with perfect conditions and provenance fetch these high prices. However, even coins in lesser conditions can still command impressive values due to their rarity and historical context. So, how can you get your hands on one of these coins? Well, the good news is that the 250 Rial 1378 coin is still available in some collector circles. Whether through private dealers, auctions, or specialized coin shops, there are ways to track down this rare piece of history. But be prepared to pay a premium if you can even find one in good condition. For those of you just starting out in coin collecting, remember that the world of rare coins is vast. While owning a $2.87 billion coin might be a dream for most, collecting other unique and historically valuable coins can still be a rewarding experience. Take your time, do your research, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of discovering the hidden gems that are out there. Thanks for watching today's deep dive into the incredible value of the 250 Rial 1378 coin. If you found this video fascinating, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow collectors, and leave a comment with your thoughts on this astonishing coin. What's the most valuable coin in your collection? Make sure you subscribe for more in-depth videos on rare coins and collectibles. Until next time, keep collecting and keep exploring the incredible world of numismatics.